All right, good morning, everybody. It is March 30th. So we have jumped in here on the futures market in our red light, green light algorithm. So indicated a trade right here when we have our switch from green to red, our dash below the white line, giving us permission on the close of that candle, and then jumping in on this candle and good to go, making some money. So here's our target as it's racing there. Hopefully we'll get there soon and we can get some profits. But I'm going to go ahead and put a alert in so that I can move my stop once we get to this point right here, roughly. So set alert, single, at or below, create. So now I got my info there, and then I want to know also when it gets to this level. So I'm going to set another alert, create alert, at or above. So now it's going to send me a text message once we break this or once we break that. So then I can manage this trade. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'll bring the conclusion to you. All right, so unfortunately, red light, green light. So we ended up, following the rules. We came down here more than 50% of the way, put our stop into break even plus a couple bucks, just hit our stop and then sold off into the target. I hate it when that happens. But whatever, we got a little bit of money on the day, and man, that's how it is. All right, waiting for the next trade. All right, traders, so you can see here, no more trades. Actually, it's after hours, so you wouldn't see that there. But you can see over here, we were in consolidation. The rest of the time, this did hit its target. That was that one where I just bounced out a little early because followed the rules. And that's how it goes. Sometimes you miss them, sometimes you don't. And yeah, just straight sideways the rest of the day into the evening. So I'm going to shut this video down, and then if I take any trades tomorrow, I'll post a new video. But this is going to end this video. And yeah, so everybody, have an awesome night, and see you tomorrow.